Hi, everybody. It's so nice to be with you again. I wish we could be in the library, but at least we can be together on the computer. But today we are going to talk about libraries, but not our library at Kelly Edwards. We're going to talk about the other library in town, which is our public library. We have a library on Springfield Road, located next to the fields where y'all play football and soccer, and it is called our public library, and it is free and available to everybody in Barnwell County, and that means you. Every one of you is allowed to use our public library. It is open from 10 to 1 in the morning, and then 2 to 5 in the afternoon. It is free. All you need is a library card. If you have a library card, you're all set, but if you don't, there's no problem. All you need to do is go into the library and talk to Miss Jo, who is the librarian and is really one of the sweetest people in town. And she will be very happy to help you get a library card. When you have a library card, you can check out books from the library, and they have an excellent selection. But if you can't get into the library, what you can do is once you have your library card, if you don't feel comfortable going into the library, what you can do is go to the library website. And that is called, and I'm going to show y'all, that is called, let me see if I can bring it up here, Abby. The library website is called Abby, ABBE-LIB.org. The A stands for Aiken, B stands for Bamberg, the second B stands for Barnwell, and that is us. It's our library. And then the E stands for Edgefield. You go to ABBE-LIB for library.org, and you come to the library's homepage. And when you go to the library's homepage, you'll see across the top several tabs. And if you click on the Digital Resources tab, takes a second, you're going to come up to all kinds of exciting resources. There's the Cloud Library, which we'll get to. Hoopla, which is the library app for your phone. I love it. I use it all the time. And down here is Tumblebooks. Tumblebooks has all kinds of books for us. For example, you can get and read from home a storybook, do a read along. There are ebooks, graphic novels, which I know are very popular, nonfiction, videos, language learning. You can learn to speak French or Spanish. There are playlists and puzzles and games. And let's click on, how about if we click on storybooks? So you are at home, you can't get to the library, you go to abbe-lib.org and you get yourself to the storybooks tab, and you can read all of these super books. Here's one we have in the library, Bailey. You can read it on this website. These books we do not have, the Bink and Golly books. You can be the first people in town to read them. We do have the Librarian of Bostra. That's very good. Oh, Lola at the library is adorable. So there are all kinds of books here. You can go to graphic novels. Oh, these are the Geronimo Stilton books. They're a lot of fun. What else do they have? Food Fight. We have that one. That's a good one. But let's say you want to explore a little bit more. All you have to do is we're going to go back and go to the other great, let me see, go up here to Digital Resources, where we started, to Cloud Library. I hope you all do this. Go to Cloud Library and press on it. Mash that button. Now, these are books for adults. These are not going to be books that interest you. However, go to the top, find the Browse button, click on it. You see there's several tabs, kids fiction, kids nonfiction. Let's do kids fiction. See what comes up. Oh, look at all of these excellent books. So many. Wings of Fire books are very popular amongst 5th graders. Jimmy Kimmel, The Serious Goose, The Bad Seed, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, super fun book. So, if you can't get to the library itself, you can go to the library website. Use your library card, which Miss Jo will help you get, and then you can access all of these cool resources. Let's recap. Let's go back down here. I'm going to move this. Here we go. Okay. Miss Jo is our librarian. She will help you get a library card if you don't already have one. The library is open from Monday through Thursday. The hours are 10 to 1 and 2 to 5. It used to be 2 to 6, but because of COVID, they had to shorten the hours so that Miss Jo could do extra cleaning. The library is located on Springfield Road, right by the playing fields. You can access the library from home if you go on this link, abbe-lib.org, and then if you get to the databases, you can read a book, watch a video, play a game, learn a language. Here it is again, abbe-lib.org. Well, y'all, I wish we could be together so we could talk about this, but I would appreciate it if you would let me know if you've been able to go to the library in person or go to the library virtually. And I'd like to know what books you found, what you did, perhaps what databases you looked at. Just leave me a little message and let me know. I would really appreciate that. So until next time, bye-bye, y'all.